Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we will talk about the arithmetic operations on matrices that we can perform in MATLAB. So the first operation is addition operation, which is quite simple. For example, if I have a matrix which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is matrix A. This is matrix B, which is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now I want to add these two matrices. I can simply say C is equal to A plus B, and now as you can have a look, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so they have been added. Similar goes for the subtraction operator. Okay, to multiply matrices we use the steric operator. The steric operator is used to multiply two matrices, and the rules that apply for simple matrix multiplication, the same rules apply in MATLAB. So if I have a matrix, for example, which is capital A is equal to 2 and 3, it is 1 cross 2 matrix, and then I have a matrix B which is simple 3 cross 3, 1. Fine. It has 2 rows, 1 columns. The number of rows of A is equal to the number of columns of B. So these two matrices can be multiplied. So I can simply write A steric V. Steric is the matrix multiplication. Here we go. These two have been multiplied. What if I want to multiply elements in the matrix element wise? To do the element wise multiplication, I need to use the dot steric operator. For example, if I have a matrix, let us call it D is equal to 1, 2, 3. Fine. E is equal to 2, 4, 6. Now to multiply 1 with 2, 2 with 4, 3 with 6, I can simply write D dot steric E. Fine. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 6 is 18. So the dot star operator is used for element wise multiplication. For the element wise multiplication, the number of elements must be same in both the matrices. Fine. Now how about a square? If I have a matrix again, for example, let us call it E or call it G, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. A 2 cross 2 matrix. And now I want to calculate G of the power of 2. So the G power of 2 will give us the matrix multiplication of G with itself. So it is actually equal to the G steric G. Fine. Here we go. It is equal to the G steric G. If I calculate G steric G, I will get the same answer. So the G power 2 is equal to the G steric G. What if I calculate G dot power 2? The dot power operator is used to take the power of the individual elements. I mean the power of 1, the power of 2, the power of 3, and the power of 4. So 1 power 2, 2 power 2, 3 power 2, 4 power 2, and so on. So this will give us 14960. Here we go. We got 14960. Fine. We will again type G. Now to take transpose, we will simply write G with comma. Fine. So this is now the transpose of the matrix. The rows has been converted into columns, and columns has been converted into rows. That's it for today. Thank you.